to deal with being ostracized, how to deal with exclusion. And a lot of the things I'm going to be sharing in the Shy People Do is heavily based on my own experience as much as the experiences of patients I treat, where this will be a place to kind of showcase and explore the many workshop based learnings that I have created as a tutor, as a lecturer, as a therapist, as a counselor, as a person who's also experienced difficulty and trials and tribulations that life has out there for all of us. So the Shy People Do will really unpick and unpack those leaky behaviors. And I say leaky behaviors because one of the fundamental things I will be talking about is how we emotionally leak on each other. So if you imagine this, and I use a lot of analogy, so I hope you take this analogy away with you. If you imagine, right, you imagine your emotional, the boiler system. You know, we think about our emotional, our heart is where all the love comes from and so forth. Right? Some of us might think it's just where the blood pumps around our bodies. Right? But if you imagine you have your own kind of level of that boiler system, okay, which is your emotional regulation, okay, your fight, flight, freeze, your ability to feel and experience and interpret and anticipate. You imagine the heart of that as the boiler's pumping around, and you imagine your emotional, pipes are flowing through your body, circulating over your body. And for those of us who are experiencing emotional difficulty, there's a block somewhere along those pipes. And as it starts to pump out, emotional energies going around, the thoughts going around, this blockage is sometimes, it will burst, and you'll sometimes have tiny leaks of behaviors that sometimes we call toxic behaviors. And I want to get away from labeling people. But to a certain extent, it leaks and it makes a mess. And if you imagine when you are availed with anxiety, depression, anger, all these thoughts of ideas about yourself and other people and what you're experiencing, you will leak, and other people leak on us. And what the Shy People does is help us deal with those leaky behaviors, emotionally leaky people, in the way that we emotionally leak on others. The way we leave a little debris of ourselves with other people and the way they leave it with us.